This is what I'm going to do here. I have the camera set up, connected to the buck converter. The buck converter I've wired out with this splitter from the Dean's connector, and that's going to be powered by our LiPo battery connected up here. As you can see, I've got these cables here connected, which power up their USB power to the Raspberry Pi. So that's the connection there. And I have it just basically sitting there, just strapped down. And here's the camera's input. That's the USB camera. And so that's the cable that goes around there. And so we're gonna go ahead and stream the video to the iPad, basically by connecting to the access point on the Pi that we've set up. And that Pi's access point is called Quad Pi. And okay, let's see if it all works. Cut. All right, let's see if we can get this thing to run. It's recording for the time being. Oh. Not bad.
Oh, okay.
I'm surprised
Yeah.
I still have props.